Okay, so whenever a lot of people go to get a new Office software, a lot of times they head straight for Microsoft Office because that's what they're used to and that's what they're comfortable with. Well, today I'm going to show you an alternative, and if you are comfortable with Microsoft Office, I promise you that you will be comfortable with KINGSOFT Office. If you're migrating from Office, like one of the older versions, such as 2003, or some of the newer versions, like 2007 to 10 or 13, something like that, they have both layouts. So, I mean, if you're switching from 2003 or before, they have something that looks like that. Or if you're switching from 2007 or up, then they also have one that looks just like it. So you will be not only comfortable, but you'll already know how to use it. So, all right, so to get this KingSoft Office, you need to go to kingsoftstore.com. It's right here. See that right there? kingsoftstore.com. Okay. Now, once you're on that website, you need to go to hover the mouse over downloads and make sure that you know which version of or which operating system you are using. And as you can see, they have Windows, Android, and Linux. And the Android, you can get that through Google Play. I've been using it for quite a while, about a year, maybe about 2 years now. It's really good. And then you see they got all these different products. Okay, so pick your operating system. Right now, I will show you how to get it for Windows. So to get it for Windows, just click on Office for Windows. And you will pick which file you want to download. There's Clip, Office Suite Pro, and Office Suite Free. You want to download the Office Suite Free right here. So then click the download arrow. And now I will show you how to get it for Linux. Now whenever you get it for Linux, it will take you to a different website. So go to Office for Linux, and it's still the same KingSoft. It's just they create a different website for it. Now, they have multiple downloads for Linux. So right here, these are different versions of Linux distributions. Like right here, I have Ubuntu. So I mean, it's pretty clear I don't have Windows or Mac. So I mean, this is, you can probably easily recognize it's not that. So this right here is Ubuntu, and it's a Linux distribution. So yes, I am running Linux, and I would click to download the one with the .deb at the end of it. Now others, I mean, you can, I mean, whatever you have, you can look it up. I know Linux Mint uses DEB, Debian does, and so does Ubuntu. I mean, there's tons of other Linux distributions. A lot of them use different things. I mean, different application files. So, I mean, just look yours up, and if you do know, then great, then click it. If they don't have it for your version of Linux, sorry, I mean, guess you're out of luck. Okay. So I would click on the .deb, and then once you have downloaded this file, go to wherever your downloads are. So if I were to be using Ubuntu to download it, I would go straight to downloads. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing in Windows. All you need to do is click on Documents and then Downloads, or My Computer and Downloads. Something that will take you to all your files and downloads, and then find your file, double click it, and it should open. Okay. Now I do want to take the time out to show you what this looks like really quickly. I mean, I'll just show you Writer for now. Writer is the equivalent of Word. Then there is Presentation, which is the equivalent of PowerPoint, and Spreadsheet, which is the equivalent of Excel. Okay, so as you can already see, I mean, it's pretty similar. I mean, now whenever you open it up, regardless of which version, which program you're opening, let me just ignore that. Okay, so anyways, as I was saying, whichever program you're opening, it will automatically come up on this screen right here. All you need to do to get past this is now one thing that is different from the Microsoft Office is Microsoft Office uses like windows that are within inside a window. KingSoft uses tabs. I mean, it's the same thing. I mean, you may not even know that there is that feature. So I mean, all you have to do is once you get on there, click the new right there. I mean, it'll be right there whenever you get on there. Okay. and you can exit out. So I mean, it's pretty much the same and everything. See, it's very similar. Now, as you can see, there's some things that look like they're missing. Guess what? All you need to do is take the mouse over to the right and click it, and more things pop up. So I mean, it's very similar. So I mean, you should have no issue switching or learning how to save. All you do is go right there, save. I mean, there's even a drop-down thing for File Edit View. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I will also be posting a video on how to get tons of crazy different fonts on your computer like these. I got a ton of them right there. Yeah, there's so many. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure you subscribe.